Okay, in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and continue working on the mid area here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add this cylinder behind here. We'll add this thing. As you can see, I added the seat belt. The only thing you might want to do is just make sure yours is a little bit thinner. Mine's kind of too fat. Let's go ahead and fix this a little. Alright, so that'll do. It's not bad. Looks cool. Okay, let's go ahead and do the cylinder. By now you should be getting really good at making cylinders, because we have made a lot of cylinders. Okay. So what we're going to do is this, and we insert an edge loop. Got there and there, and here and here. Go ahead and go to top view, and you're going to go to face mode, highlight like this. Hold shift while I do this. Okay. We're going to hit Control E, and we're just going to kick this in. That's it. Simple. Mesh tools, insert edge loop. Again, we've done this a bajillion times here. You should be getting pretty good at, comfortable at doing this. This is like basic modeling techniques. What we're doing here is called hard surface modeling. Why is it called hard surface modeling? Because we're modeling a surface that is made of metal, and it's not that organic. Like say, for example, a human. There aren't too many parts on a human that are flat. Alright. Set 3. See how this thing shapes up. Looks nice. Let's go ahead and rotate it. Hit Control A. Control A actually twice brings up the channel box, which is cool. And then Control A again. We'll close it. Actually, it won't. I lied. Let's go ahead and put this where it belongs. Right here. Alright. Looks like if we're going this way, the long side is in the back. Let's check our rotations here. Let's put that 0. Let's make that negative 90. Alright, cool. And then we're going to put this we'll put a little piece up here. We're going to kind of freestyle this on our own here. We're going to go to face. We're going to Control E. We're going to scale this down. We're going to hit Control E. Scale it in. Actually, we're not. We're just going to scale it up. Alright, that's cool. That looks good. Alright. Insert edge loop. We'll put one here. Face. Hit Control E. Bring it out. Mesh tools. Insert edge loop. Here. Here and here. Alright. And then what we'll do is we're going to put a few here to make couple divisions. Alright, and then we'll hit Control E, and we're going to go ahead and bring it in, and let's bring it in a little bit more. And you guessed it, we're going to have to go back and go to Mesh Tools, insert Edge Loop. This gets very, very repetitive after a while, but it's all good. So we go here and here, and let's go like this, and like this. Okay, let's do that. Hit 3, hit 1, okay, hit 3 again, 1, hit G, and we want to put an edge here. Yep, that looks cool. Excellent. Okay, so that's good. And we're just going to go ahead and they didn't do it this way, but we're going to do it. We're going to just go ahead and face, and we're going to Control E. I'm going to bring it right into here. All right. And I want it to be a little bit rounded. Okay, cool. That looks really nice so far. I'm liking this. All right, so that's that. Okay. These things are, oops. You can just go to Face, paint these down. Hit Control E. Scale. Hit Control E again. W. Bring it out. Alright, that works. Okay, so now since we have some time left in the video, let's go ahead and, actually, if you notice, this piece here, this piece actually extends out beyond, you just notice that, beyond this thing. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Mesh Tools, insert Edgeloop. Okay. This one even closer. Oops. There we go. Right there. Alright, so far so good. Alright. And what we'll do is we have to put this big ring around it. Get one. We're going to do this. We're going to go to Face, and we're going to go to Paintbrush. Okay, we have to make sure to click off here. Okay, Control E. Go ahead and scale it out. And insert Edgeloop around there, and there, and there, and there. Hit 3. Let's just put one there. Okay. Alright, that looks, I'm looking at here, this looks pretty good. Alright, that looks good, I like it. Alright. You might want to go to Vertex. You could grab these and bring them out a little. You can tell this proportion is a little bit fatter. This one on ours is a little bit skinny. Let's see if we could, let's see how big we can make this. Alright, that works. It's a little big in here. I think that works. That works. Okay. All right, we have a few minutes left. What can we do? Okay, what we'll do is I guess we'll kind of start out with, we can do the handles or the body first. Doesn't really matter. Let's start out making the handles. We still have a little bit of time left. So we'll go ahead and make this kind of handle here with the wire and the brake. We'll do the basic part. The handle looks like it's kind of coming out of these things. So we'll just connect it into here. We'll start out with the cylinder. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to front view. We'll go to top view. Right view, what view? That's a good view. And we're going to go to create CV curve. And we're going to do this. CV curve option, and we're going to go ahead and go to one linear. Okay, we're going to start here. We're going to kind of come up and then go like this. All right, so that's about it. And then we're going to go to face. Hold B to make my brush a little bigger. And I'm going to shift click the curve. Just want to go to object mode here. Go back to here and go to face, and I'm going to hit Control E. And I'm going to go to divisions. Okay, so the problem with this is too big. So we're going to make it smaller. Because it gets hit F, you'll focus on that. Okay, let's go back to face, go to object mode, go back to face. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit Control E. And let's go ahead and go to divisions. Alright, we can fix some of this. Control delete. Control delete. Control delete. Control delete. Don't just hit delete, you have to Control plus delete. Alright. And remember, when you hit 3, it's going to smooth out. That looks pretty good. We want to do this. Control delete. Let's get rid of that. We want to get rid of some of the extra edges. Alright. Control delete. This is good. Go to vertex. Actually, let's go to edge. And let's bring this up. Let's bring this up. And let's bring that up. Okay. Mesh tools, insert edge loop. All right. Not a big fan of that. So what we'll do, I'm going to remake this a little bit. Just take a cylinder and just extrude it a few times. That's your best bet. And then we'll go ahead and do the rest in the next video.